We're going to see it cool a little, but like I said, because of all the things that we have locally, we're going to be pretty insulated.
After a shaky year in 2022, experts project the housing market to cool off in 2023. Now, locally, agents are optimistic that we can stay insulated from the freeze. You know, Southeast Texas is driven by industry. Last year, we talked so much in our Power City stories about the growth and the expansion at area plants, what this all means for people looking for places to live. Well, 12 News reporter Cameron Seibert looked into the impact this could have on buyers and sellers.
Jordan, the last 3 years created a whirlwind in the housing market. COVID and inflation led to higher interest rates, and now agents and experts are just hoping things can get back on track in 2023.
2022 was a great year in the beginning, but it came almost to a screeching halt.
2022 was a roller coaster ride for real estate. The big drop in sales came in November when interest rates hit a 20-year high, surpassing 7%.
Almost everything shut down.
National experts project the freeze to continue. But local agents like Tim Williams are optimistic about the new year. He says Southeast Texas doesn't follow national trends.
Expansions, the new chemical plants, the new LNG plants that are coming into the area. So there's a lot of buyers coming into our area.
Plenty of buyers, but not enough sellers. Across the country, inventory is down. But once again, Williams says Southeast Texas is a different story.
Still a seller's market, even though homes are sitting on the market longer. They're having to give some concessions, but we're seeing the prices still inch up and not come down like what a lot of the rest of the country is doing.
While the economy struggles, 2023 will be a year of survival.
With the small amount of inventory that we have, as long as a whole bunch of people don't flood the market with their homes, then we should be in good shape all around, buyers and sellers.
Williams says the market is always changing for better or worse. His advice is to not overreact.
2023 is going to be a great year if you just keep your head. If people start to worry and get fearful, that's when we see things crash. And we're not seeing that here. We have a lot of level-headed people, thankfully.
Tim says buying a house is always a good investment to build equity and to own a property. He also says now is one of the best times with sellers offering concessions during the stalling market. In Beaumont, Cameron Seibert, 12 News.